May kita rin siya? Just, Dibdat. Just dressing properly, okay? Dressing properly. Puling. Possible today? Possible today? Ha? Why no possible? Very easy work. Did that? Why no possible? Did that? Always possible. Did that? I already told you. Always possible. Why you don't speak no possible today? Something.